Welcome back, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving deep into the exciting world of Apple's latest flagship, the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Packed with groundbreaking features and record-breaking specs, this device is set to redefine smartphone excellence. So sit back, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. First on our list is the revolutionary upgrade to Siri. Apple is taking its AI game to the next level. According to renowned tech analyst Mark Gurman, Siri is evolving from a basic assistant into a sophisticated AI capable of handling multiple commands and executing complex tasks seamlessly. Imagine Siri opening individual documents, moving notes between folders, or managing your emails with just a few voice commands. Initially, these advanced capabilities will be limited to Apple apps, but third-party app support is expected to follow soon. Now, back to the iPhone 16 Pro Max. We've got exciting news about its battery life. Rumors suggest an innovative L-shaped battery design, providing up to a 9% increase in capacity. This means the iPhone 16 Pro Max will boast a 4,747 mAh battery, up from the 4,441 mAh in its predecessor. This information comes from a Twitter user named FixApple, so while it's promising, we'll wait for more confirmations. Trusted leaker Ice Universe has also shared insights about the iPhone 16 Pro Max's display. Expect the thinnest bezels ever seen on a smartphone, surpassing even the impressive bezel reduction of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Ice Universe has provided comparative illustrations showcasing these ultra-slim bezels, making the iPhone 16 Pro Max not only functional, but aesthetically stunning. The display isn't just about thin bezels, it's also getting brighter. Last year's model peaked at 2,000 nits, but the iPhone 16 Pro Max is rumored to reach an astonishing 2,800 nits of peak brightness. Additionally, leaked iPhone 16 Pro cases indicate a significant camera upgrade. The massive camera cutout suggests enhanced camera capabilities, potentially including the 5x tetraprism camera seen in the iPhone 15 Pro Max, along with a larger primary sensor for superior photo and video quality. For those eagerly anticipating the full iPhone 16 lineup, let's break down the expected specs, design, and pricing for each model. iPhone 16. Display: 6.3-inch OLED with LTPS technology. Design: taller aspect ratio, ceramic shield 2. Cameras: 12MP front-facing, 48MP primary, 12MP ultra-wide rear. Performance: A18 chipset, 6GB RAM, up to 512GB storage. Battery: 3,450 mAh, 30W fast charging. Connectivity: advanced 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 7. OS iOS 18. Price: starting around $850. iPhone 16 Plus. Display: 6.9-inch OLED with LTPS technology. Design: taller aspect ratio, ceramic shield 2. Cameras: 12MP front-facing, 48MP primary, 12MP ultra-wide rear. Performance: A18 chipset, 6GB RAM, up to 512GB storage. Battery: 4,420 mAh, 30W fast charging. Connectivity: advanced 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 7. OS iOS 18. Price: starting around $950. iPhone 16 Pro. Display: 6.3-inch 120Hz LTPO LAD. Design: taller aspect ratio, ceramic shield 3. Cameras: 12MP front-facing, 48MP primary, 48MP ultra-wide, 12MP tetraprism with 5x optical zoom. Performance: 18 Pro chipset, 8GB RAM, up to 1TB storage. Battery: 3,450 mAh, fast charging TBD. Connectivity: advanced 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 7. OS iOS 18. Price: starting around $1,100. iPhone 16 Pro Max. Display: 6.9-inch, 120 hazy LTP OLED. Design, taller aspect ratio, ceramic shield 3. Cameras, 12 MP front-facing, 48 EMP primary, 48 MP ultra-wide, 12 MP tetraprism with 5x optical zoom. Performance, A18 Pro chipset, 8 GB RAM up to 1 TB storage. Battery, 4500 mAh, fast charging TBD. Connectivity, advanced 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 7. OS, iOS 18. Price, starting around $1,300. The iPhone 16 series promises to be a significant upgrade with its enhanced displays, powerful new chipsets, and camera improvements. While the iPhone 16 might not be a must-have for those with an iPhone 15, it's an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade from older models or enter the Apple ecosystem for the first time. As we approach the expected launch in September 2024, stay tuned for more updates and leaks. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.